Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. About this one, we put on the right. Ds we put on the right. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. The integration of y, we have y squared over 2. The integration of this one, we have e to the power of s, and we put about c. Now we have the conditions in here. That means when s equal to number 0, y equal to number 6. So we put number 6 and number 0 in here to find about the value of constant. So 6 squared is about 36. 36 divided by 2, we have 18. This one we have number 1, so we have number 2. And c equals to 18 minus 2, and you got 16. So we put number 16 in here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.